Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the euro gain 0.3% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound gain 0.5% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Chipmaker Intel said it plans to operate its programmable chip unit as a standalone business starting in January, with plans to hold a public offering for stock in the business over the next 2 to 3 years. At the first high-level talks between China and Germany in 4 years, both sides agreed to update a financial cooperation agreement, but trade appears sidelined. China's updated agreement with Europe's largest economy keeps the door open to part of the world where other leaders have tried to pare Beijing's influence. Crypto exchange Binance collaborated with the Royal Thai Police and the US Homeland Security investigation to expose and dismantle a significant pig butchering scam. This operation led to the arrest of key members of the criminal network and the seizure of assets worth approximately $277 million.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Australia's trade balance will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's overall household spending at 23:30 GMT. Germany's exports at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.